Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a blindfolded food challenge. As you can see, I have my brothers and sisters and my daughter with me. So we've got Kerry,
Reese,
Shane. So we're going to do blindfolded food taste test. We went out and brought 5 items for our opponent to taste, and no one knows what they are. So we'll do it in 3 rounds. So we're going to pick some names from, I was going to say a hat, but my mum.
We can put it in the cup, can't we?
If you want to put it in a cup, we can put it in a cup. So we're going to pick some names from a cup, and that's who we're going to go against. And then you will be blindfolded, well, not you, we will be blindfolded, and we have to guess what that food item is. If we get it right, then we get 1 point. If you get it wrong, then you miss a point. The winners of those 2 rounds then go into a head-to-head, where they've got to do 5 more food items picked by our mum. Excited?
Yeah.
shitting myself.
Definitely.
I've screwed you over.
I don't want to be with you, Kerry, because I know you're gonna screw us all over. I kind of want to be against you because I want to beat my big brother. Yeah,
But I don't want to be against Reese because...
That's your own fault. We were nice.
yeah. Okay, so let's do this.
Can I go first? Youngest first?
Alright, well that would technically be Listen.
Yeah.
She's not playing.
Shane. Okay. Kerry and Shane.
Kerry.
Kerry's already taken. Oh wait, so that just means me and Reese?
Yes.
Okay, so the first round is going to be Kerry v Shane, youngest v the oldest, who's going to win. And then the second round, that's a middle people.
Yeah.
You're not in the all clear with Reese.
I'm not.
No.
Well.
You've got it coming.
I regret my choice. Be nice now.
Yeah. Your choice. I'm going to use this as my bloody will.
Alright, I'm going to go for this one. I want this face mask.
I'm going to go for the one that looks tired.
And you got purple
Alyssa
hair.
gets nothing.
You can play with mummy. Okay, cool. So let's get ready.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get on with it. Shane, you look really weird with that mask.
Right, first one is up. It's probably one of the... Hang on, let me get a bigger bit. Probably the worst bit.
Bigger bit, yeah.
I'll just shove it in his gut.
Sniff it.
Hold on. Sniff again. That's cod liver oil.
Oh my god. That's not getting edited out.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
No idea what it is, but I've had worse. Used to see me ex.
It's octopus cat treat. Right, next one. Do you want to smell it first?
Yeah.
Yeah, we bought one. Yeah, oldies, yeah. They're very good, aren't they? Yeah, cheap and nice.
Hang on, no, I've got. Oh, it's hard.
Well, we went in that one.
What is this, another spoon jobby?
Up at Whitford.
Yeah.
It was packed.
It smells quite nice, to be fair.
Yeah, I thought it was alright, man.
Yeah. No, all of it. The bucket's next to you. Yeah, I know you got to have some more. That was not a
It's all the same thing. Different names and different names. No, she got.
quite nice, to be fair. Oh, the bones. Oh.
Was that some other form of cat food?
No, it's not. Why would I eat cat food next to you? Please.
You're related to me?
What is the item?
No.
Honestly, I don't know.
It's in a sauce. Half a point for in a sauce if you get the sauce.
The sauce is like, it's a barbecue sauce,
Yeah.
like a Chinese
Ding,
barbecue
ding, ding.
sauce. I was
Oh, and ding 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 for the country.
what, like a duck testicle thing?
No, it's braised eel.
That's not a bad... no, that was horrible. The sauce was nice.
Right, next
There's my
one.
lemon. What?
Right, this is a spoon job again.
It's all in my bloody tash.
Yeah, here's the next one. Can't stop snorting.
Oh.
What does that taste like, Shane?
Shit. Have my little drink.
Is that not very nice? I'm not sure if you have to cook it.
What is it, Kerry?
No.
I don't think he's going to guess it.
No, I don't trust you, your bloody
It's not
tissues.
tissue. Are you going to guess?
I ain't got a fucking clue, that was disgusting.
Spicy cabbage kimchi.
Kimchi?
Chinese. It's Chinese food.
Kimchi.
You can have it after.
It's kimchi. It's a vegetable.
You're a vegetable.
Right, this next one.
This is my last one, isn't it?
No, you've got one more after this.
And you've got none right.
Oh no, you've got two more.
No,
No, one right.
One more.
Here.
Where? Oh,
No, stop.
that's mine now. I can't smell anything.
Yeah, you've missed a bit. Take that. I told you I screwed you over.
It was like the garlic
Right, I'm
side,
going
it was
to
quite
give you a
nice.
nice. Right, I'm going to give you this one
Hold
real
on,
quick
I
and
didn't
then I'll
guess
give
what
you.
that one was.
Oh yeah.
It was like some sort of tripe or something.
Well, I don't know what it is because it's in Chinese. Seaweed. It's seaweed. Here's the next one. And you've got a nice one to enjoy. It doesn't taste of anything. You might get this one. You should get it.
I don't like this game.
Right, I promise you
Is that
this.
some
No,
sort of
no,
chili?
that's it.
Yeah, no, just chili, ding ding, got it right. This is the last one, and this
What
is
kind of
nice.
chili is that?
Chinese chili, dried Chango Thyme chili. This is nice, I promise. Honestly, this is nice. Well, you should like it.
The new one.
You want some more?
Oh, that's raspberries.
Yeah.
Alright.
2 out of 6.
Shane, take your mask off. How'd you feel that went, guys?
Good.
That good. Let's fuck her up.
No.
First off, we have.
Oh, I'm scared.
You should be.
And my stomach's
Right,
hurt.
open your mouth.
Hang on, let me just open up my button. Sorry.
Ready? Bite. Oh, that.
Oh my god, what the fuck was that?
It is edible, technically.
It tastes like pumpkin.
Hey! You a sip of water?
No.
Oh, that's boring. She's got one already.
It was the smell that gave it away.
A nice one.
Right up. Someone take them off of her. Look. To make herself see.
She's going to be fed this one again. You ready? That's quite small.
That's fisherman friends.
Wait,
That's
that's two.
disgusting. Oh.
Right. Ready? Number 3. Oh, sorry.
She said, "Fine."
And
Okay, I think I know. I like these. I've had these before. I don't know what they're called. Ball and orange.
That is not the name of the fruit, so I'm saying you failed.
No, but I know what it is, but I don't know what it's called.
That's right, I can't
I'm
read
blonde.
it, so.
You're blonde. What are they called?
Physalis? Physalis?
Yeah, that orange with like little seedy bits inside.
I don't know, I haven't looked inside
Doesn't
it.
that count?
Yeah. Yeah, right. No, actually, no. Let's be sure.
got
No,
the name
no
wrong.
point.
Why? 'Cause I
No
don't-
point.
Okay, but that's unfair because Shane's not going to know anything. He's not going to know any names of my
Yep,
products.
which means I'm not going to go to the final and get screwed over by Mum. Smart.
I like that one.
I don't think you'll like this one. They're quite nice, aren't they? Right, this is on a fork, jobby, this. Ready?
Haley's making me scared.
You should be. That's mine.
I love fish.
Baby.
Have some more.
Yeah?
Cockles?
Hey.
3 out of 4, you're doing alright.
Oh, that one was squidgy. Oh,
Yeah, they're not cooked, they've still got to be cooked. No, I'm joking.
no.
Last
Now
one.
my favourite one.
No.
Oh my god.
No.
You've had it before?
No, stop.
Oh, no.
No, because if it's going to hurt my stomach.
Oh, here's one.
Oh,
You taste... Oh.
oh you're trying it.
Yeah, I just spilt it
Yeah, but
everywhere.
your taste buds are weird.
Mm-hmm.
You want a spoon?
So what am I on
Yeah.
now? Just that.
You got 3 out of 4 so far. One more. Just got to get a spoon. Spoonful.
No.
Yes.
No.
There, half a spoon because I'm nice. It's alright, you'll like it.
You're licking it, aren't you?
Yeah, it's all over my fingers.
Oh.
He's licking your spoon.
I'm licking,
Is
yeah.
it custard?
Oh, you wish. Right, open, here you go.
Oh no. Hang on. What the freaking hell is that?
Do you want to make a guess?
Guess what it is?
What is that?
Right, we'll have a
Hang on, everything.
Because you've had it before.
No, I have
You
not.
had it a long time ago. You didn't like it then,
Baby food.
technically. But
No, not technically.
Oh my
feed
God,
that to a
that's
baby. Can we
actually
feed that?
I would never feed that to Alyssa. That's so mean.
It's like beef.
Oh.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. You're on the right track.
Yeah, you're so on the right track.
It's oh.
Let's go with that.
How the freaking hell do you like
Sure you
that?
go like that.
Because it's like beef, like you said.
It's beef and it's thick and I don't know what it is.
Go on.
5 seconds.
No.
5,
No.
4,
No, because I don't know.
3,
what it's called. I don't know what it's called. The
1.
gravy. I
Game over.
Bovril.
Oh, I would never
Beef
guess
expert.
that.